Building an email list. Today I'm gonna talk about this topic because I still notice that people they don't realize how important it is to build an email list for your business. It doesn't matter what type of niche market or business model you are into. You need to start building an email list for your business if you want to build a sustainable business. Remember this, the secret for a lasting income and stability is to build and nurture an email list. Therefore, in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons you should build an email list for your business. The reason number 1, and remember this is super important, guys, is backup for your business. When you build an email list, it's like you're backing up your entire business. Take in mind that most people they just focus on having a big amount of followers or likes in their fan pages in Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever is that is trending nowadays. Okay, so they just focus on that, and it's true. There's where people are in the social media pages, but keep in mind that those pages, those fan pages that you have built throughout the time, you are not under control of those things. Remember that Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, if you have your business there and you just focus your business on those platforms, you are playing on someone else's sandbox where you are not under control over. Remember this. Now, the best thing that you can do is to start taking those people, your most engaged people from those platforms, like take them out of that platform. And the way to do this is by having and collecting an email list. And something that is really crazy is that, for instance, let's say that you have 1,000 followers in Instagram. 1,000 people that have clicked the follow button because they have decided that they like your brand, they like your stuff, and they want to learn more about you. Now, when you make a post, you are not able to reach all those 1,000 people, okay? You're not able to do that. Remember that these platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, is like a pay-to-play game. Okay, you need to pay this platform in order for them to show your content, to show your stuff to all the people that is following you. So this is crazy. This is what I'm telling you guys. Start looking for ways to take those people out of those platforms and create a more direct communication. When you have their email list, you can send them directly an email and they're gonna receive it directly from you. There is no intermediary, there's no Facebook, there's no Instagram that's gonna be stopping you to show your content to your most valuable audience. Super important this, and guys, start backing up your business this way. And the reason number 2 is build trust. Remember, it's not about selling all the time. You don't want to sell all your time to your customers. The secret for a long-term business, a solid long-term business, is to build a relationship. Okay, nurture a relationship with your most valuable audience. In this case, is your email list. And how you do that? By providing value. And especially, guys, if you want to start selling your stuff, don't expect that people they're gonna get your product or your service right away. There are human beings just like you and me. We have doubts, we have insecurity, we have priorities. We might have the money to expend and to get your product, but we have like priorities that we rather spend the money on those things because are like more important. But this doesn't mean that your product or service is not important for us. It's just that we're maybe that person is going to be more likely to get the product later on in the future, like in 6 months, in 3 months, or even 1 or 2 years. But they're gonna get the product, you know. So it's understanding this concept where you're gonna see like the biggest results with your business. You want to start building something solid. Okay, so if you are watching this, if you are interested in building an email list, because you want to build a solid business, long-term business. Okay, trust building is super important because most people they believe that they're just gonna get leads, they're gonna get clients just by posting an ad, having a landing page, having the sales funnels. But the truth is that you're gonna get the more of your sales through in the follow-up. Okay, in order for you to build a strong follow-up, start building trust with that audience, with your most important audience, is by creating a email marketing campaign follow-up. You know, And for instance, let's say that you are giving like 100 coupons to 100 people that have received that coupon, but only 10 of those 100 people they have used the coupon. So what you can do is just basically start like pushing those other people with email marketing, like encourage them to get or to use the coupon. This is email marketing for, to keep building a relationship, okay, throughout the time that person is in your lead, because of course they're able to decide if they want to stay in the list. And this is the beauty about email marketing. Let's say that you have only 100 people in your email list since 6 months, 1 year. Those 100 people are your most targeted audience because they have decided that your content is valuable, your brand is valuable for them. That's why they are staying there in your email list, because they're interested in your business. And at the end of the day, we just want to have the most engaged people, seeing you, what you're offering, seeing your new products, whatever. Okay, so having an email list and nurture that email list, like building, not just selling, because most people just want to sell, yeah, but actually providing value is the best way to build trust. And when you gain that person trust, game over, they're gonna buy anything from you. So actually this is the hardest decision, this is the most important metric that most people they forget about: trust. And the only way you can build trust is by providing content, and with your content, share that content with your most valuable audience. Okay, your warm audience, people that have bought from you, that is your hot audience. And your warm audience, people that haven't bought from you but they're highly interested on what you're offering. So you just need to keep moving those people in the other step, like warm audience into hot audience. And those hot audience, you can keep selling them more things, more products. And if you have a special offer, let them be the first one to know about it, because those are the people that are more likely to buy from you. So besides that, guys, um yeah, when you have an email list, you want to be able to start building trust is really important. And the only way to do that is to be in constant contact with those people. Okay, so this is the number two. Now, we also have the reason number three, that is to improve your marketing strategy. And this is something that I really like. So let's give you an example of this. So let's say that you are giving away a 30% off sales coupon, or a coupon, right? So let's say that 100 people got that coupon. Now, from those 100 people, only 10 of them they use the coupon. You still have 90 people that haven't used that coupon. What you can do is to get the email address of those 90 people, upload that to Facebook, and create a specific retargeting ad talking directly to those people. For instance, it can be something like this: hey, I noticed that you haven't used the coupons for some reason. Remember that you still have 2 days to take advantage of this coupon and get 30% off when you purchase. So go ahead, click the link in this video and go use it. Something like that, something really targeted. And this is when, like, the users, they get surprised on how these brands know that they got a coupon and they haven't used it yet. So this is really powerful, and this is going to help you drive sales. So the idea of this is to understand in what stage that person is, and just keep moving that person to the final destination, that is to purchase. Okay, now other thing that you can do with your email list is, like, for instance, let's say that you have an email list of 100 people. I recommend that to have an email list of 100 at least. You can upload that list to Facebook, and you can create a lookalike audience. A lookalike audience is just basically like cloning your current customer into other lists of potential customer. Remember that Facebook knows everything about you. They know more about you than you even know about yourself. So they connect all the different, like, data points. They know how to get similar peoples based on just the email address. Remember that when you create an account, you use an email address. That's why it is a good a reference to search people are similar to yours to see what you like, what you don't like, what you watch, what pages you visit, what pages you like. So this is super powerful. Facebook had that amount of information, so you can just basically uh, clone your current customers. So this is super powerful, and it's extremely important when you want to scale an advertising strategy. And also, what is mentioned before is that you can keep selling more product, more services to your audience. Remember that you want to have the list of your most valuable audience, warm audience, your hot audience, people that just that have purchased from you, so you can keep selling them like more products. Of course, you need to provide them with value. Don't sell all the time. That is this is horrible, guys. This is why most people they unsubscribe on email lists, because some businesses they just want to sell all the time, and this is boring. For instance, for me it's boring that I always just got emails that they just want to sell me something. When you start promoting and giving value to those people, they're gonna be more interested to get your emails. Okay, so provide value and sell. Okay, if you create a new service, if you create a new product, let them know. That is the audience that they should know first what you're gonna offer, and because they're more likely to get that product or service. So upselling more products you can do with your email list, and it's more like uh, backstage sales. No people, you don't post anything on social media. You just in the back end, you're just selling to your audience. Okay, in a nutshell, this is why I'm recommending you to start building your email list. First of all, back up your business. Super important. Don't depend only on social media. Second is to build trust. Okay, keep providing value, keep building a relationship with your audience until you gain their trust, and that is where you're gonna start like seeing like big improvements on your business, because people, when they trust you, you can sell them anything to them. Okay, now, third, improve your marketing strategies. As I said, okay, there are different angles, different ways that you can push people from one stage to another. Okay, like if that this person hasn't bought, move that person, encourage that person to finish the action. So you can do this by having an email list. And yeah, there are there are different other things that an email list is good for, but for me, these are the three main reasons why you should build an email list for your business. Now, guys, if you want to learn about this, I have a free training. You have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings. I have like two trainings right now. Like I teach you how to create a website, and this is basically gonna teach you how you can create like landing pages, how you can create opt-in forms where you basically need this to collect the email address. You can get that free training. And then what you can also get is my free training on Facebook and Instagram ads. Learn how to start driving traffic into your funnel, your landing page, so you can start collecting the email address. Super important as well. Paid advertising is really good. It's really fast to get results with, but of course you need to know how to use these tools, or you're just gonna end up wasting your money. So in this training, it's ideal for you if you're getting started with Facebook ad, or maybe you have been using Facebook ad but you haven't had like good results with it, and this is just probably because you don't know how the blue machine works, how the business manager works, and how you should properly set up the machine. So in my free training, Facebook ad training, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use Facebook advertising the right way, so you can start investing your money rather than just wasting your money without getting something in return, right? So go ahead, guys, and go check the trainings. Or if you don't want to hustle with all these things, you want experts, you want other people to do this for you, you can perfectly contact me at jordanvelasquez.com/call. Let's you have a friendly talk. Let's see what you're doing, what you want to achieve, and to see if we're going to be a good fit to work together, and if I can help you like grow your business even more. Okay, so it's just a friendly talk. Will be great to get to know more about your business. So basically that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you, and I hope that you understand how important it is to build an email list for your business since day one. Okay, start collecting email address since the first day your business is live. Okay, so that's it for this one. See you in another video.